Steducentre 2015 Grade 3 Maths A&A Exam Review. Part 1. Question 1. Arrange 674, 467, 647, 476 from the smallest to the greatest. 2. Count backwards in hundreds from 632 to 232. Numbers start from 0 and then move from 1 to 10, then the teens, 20s, and hundreds. 1. 467, 476, 647, and 674. Counting backwards by hundreds means that we subtract 100 from each term. 2. 632, 532, 432, 332, 232. Question 3. Double 147. Is it A, 184, B, 248, C, 294, or D, 287? 1 week is equal to how many days? Is it A, 5, B, 7, C, 2, or D, 31? When you double a number, you multiply it by 2. And when you half a number, you divide it by 2. So 147 doubled is 147 plus 147, which gives you C, which is equal to 294. There are 7 days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So question 4 is B, 7 days in a week. Round off 16 to the nearest 10. Is it A, 15, B, 20, C, 10, or D, 16? 5. Rounding to the nearest 10. Numbers ending in 1, 2, 3, and 4 get rounded down. Numbers ending in 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 get rounded up. Here are some examples. 27 rounded off to the nearest 10 will give me 30. 94 rounded off to the nearest 10 will give me 90. 132 rounded off to the nearest 10 is 130, and there are a few more. So the answer for question 5 is B, which is 20. Break down the number 621 into hundreds, tens, and units. Is it A, 600 plus 20 plus 6, B, 600 plus 20 plus 0, C, 600 plus 2 plus 10, or D, 600 plus 20 plus 1? 38 broken into its place values will be 3 tens, 30, and 8 units, 8. And 27 broken up into its place value will be 2 tens, which is 20, and 7 units, which is 7. 621 is equal to D, 600 plus 20 plus 1. Extend the growing pattern once more. Triangle, arrow, triangle, triangle, arrow, arrow. Triangle, 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 arrow, arrow, arrow. 8. Count backwards in 25s. 625, 600. Question 7. A pattern is a regular and intelligible form or sequence discernible in the way in which something happens or is done. Triangle, 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 arrow, 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 arrow. As you can see, you've added one more triangle and one more arrow. 8. We keep on subtracting 25 from the previous number. So, after 600, it will be 575, 550, and 525. Question 9. Write the name of the given object. Question 10. Write the name of the given shape. 9 is a cone or funnel. It is a 3D shape with the base of a circle. 10 is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides, and there are many different types of triangles. Here are some examples of some 2D shapes. A circle with 1 side, semicircle with 2 sides, a triangle with 3 sides, a square with 4 sides, a rectangle which also has 4 sides, a pentagon with 5 sides, a hexagon with 6 sides, a heptagon with 7 sides, octagon with 8 sides, nonagon, 9 sides, and a decagon with 10 sides. Here are some examples of some 3D shapes. A sphere, a prism, a cuboid, a cube, a cylinder, a pyramid, and a cone. Here are some more examples of some 2D shapes. A circle, square, triangle, rectangle, star, diamond, oval, heart, pentagon with 5 sides, a hexagon with 6 sides, a heptagon with 7 sides, octagon, 8 sides, nonagon, 9 sides, decagon, 10 sides, hendecagon, 11 sides, and dodecagon with 12 sides. Here are some more examples of some 3D shapes. Sphere, cube, cuboid, cylinder, hexagonal prism, cone, square-based pyramid, triangular-based pyramid, and triangular prism. 11. Draw a line of symmetry on this shape below. The quality of being made up of exactly similar parts facing each other or around an axis or an imaginary line to divide something into equal parts. The line of symmetry will go right through the middle of the shape. 12. Write the number symbol for 398. 13. Write the number name for 275. A number symbol 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 or 10, 11, 12, 168. 12 is equal to 398. 398. A number name is the word 1, O-N-E, 2, T-W-O, 3, T-H-R-E-E, and so forth. 13 is 275. 14. What is the value of the underlined digit in the number 548? Numbers have place values and each place represents something. Look at 59,846. The position of the number tells you that for the 6 there are 6 ones, for the 4 there are 4 tens, for the 8 there are 8 hundreds, and for the 9 there are 9 thousands. And for the 5 there are 5 10,000s. If you add all these together, you'll get back to the total. So 14. 548, we have 4 tens, or 40 in this question. 15. If an arm span of each arm is 20 centimeters, what is the total length of 3 arm spans? The total length of 3 arm spans is 15. 1 arm equals to 20 centimeters. Therefore, 3 arms would be 20 centimeters plus 20 centimeters plus 20 centimeters, which would also be 20 times 3, which will give you 60. 16. The mass of a packet of chips can be measured in A, millimeters, or B, grams. 17. The capacity of a bottle can be measured in A, centimeters, or B, liters. 16. The mass of a packet of chips can be measured in B, grams. And 17. The capacity of a bottle can be measured in B, liters. 18. The baker cuts a cake into 9 equal slices and shares them equally amongst 3 children. 18.1. How many slices does each child get? Each child gets how many out of 9 equal slices? 18.2. What fraction of the cake does each child get? The fraction is... How can I use fraction models to find fractions equivalent to 1 over 3 or 1/3? The first thing you can do is shade the fraction model to show 1/3. The second thing you can do to find an equivalent fraction is to split the fraction model into smaller equal parts. Each third is split into 2 equal parts. 1/3 equals to 2/6. Split the fraction model into smaller equal parts again. Each third is split into 3 equal parts. 1/3 equals 3/9. Write the equivalent fractions. The fractions 2/6 and 3/9 are equivalent to 1/3. 1/3 is equal to 2/6, and 1/3 is also equal to 3/9. 18.1. Each child gets 3 slices of cake. 18.2. The fraction is 3/9 is equal to 1/3. 19. At the shop there are 19 green shirts, 19 blue shirts, and 19 red shirts. How many shirts are there all together? Altogether, there are how many shirts? 20. Calculate 7 times 4. 19. 19 green plus 19 blue plus 19 red will give us 57, or 19 times 3. We have 3 19s, which is 19 plus 19 plus 19, which also gives us 57. 20. 7 times 4. We have 4 7s, which is 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7, which gives us the answer of 28. Multiplication is the process of adding a number to itself a certain number of times, the act or process of multiplying numbers. Another example is 3 times 5 will give us 15. 3 times 5 is the same thing as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 5 threes. And it is also the same as 5 plus 5 plus 5, 3 fives. And they both give us the same answer of 15. 21. Tumi has 75 bottle tops. He divides them into 5 equal groups. How many bottle tops are there in each group? There are how many bottle tops in each group? Question 21. 75 divided by 5, which is equal to 40 plus 35 divided by 5. 40 divided by 5 plus 30 divided by 5 will give us 8 plus 7. And 8 plus 7 gives us 15. Question 22. The puppy runs 3 blocks to the right and 5 blocks down. 22.1. Which gate did the puppy run to? Is it gate 1, 2, or 3? 22.2. Over how many blocks did the puppy run altogether? 22.1 is gate 3. The puppy runs 3 blocks to the right and 5 blocks down. 22.2. The puppy ran 3 plus 5, which equals to 8 blocks in total. Question 23. Calculate 158 plus 31. Question 23. 158 plus 21 will give us 189. 8 plus 1 will give us 9. 5 plus 3 will give us 8. And 1 plus 0 will give us 1. 24. Calculate 786 minus 421 by using any breaking down method. Question 24. 786 minus 421 is 700 plus 80 plus 6 minus 400 plus 20 plus 1. 700 minus 400 plus 80 minus 20 plus 6 minus 1. 300 plus 60 plus 5, and that all gives us 365. The breakdown method separates the number into its place value and then allows you to complete the mathematical calculation with ease. Here's an example of breaking down numbers. 38 is broken down into its place values, the 8 for 8 units and the 3 for 3 tens, 30. 27, 7 for 7 units and 20 for 2 tens, 20. Thank you for watching Steducentre, turning ordinary learners into extraordinary leaders.